Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to add production partners on Etsy. So if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn more about scaling your business to the next level, don't forget to subscribe to my channel today. So before I show you how to add a production partner, let's define what it really means. So, under Etsy's policy, a production partner is anyone who is not a part of your shop that helps you physically produce your items. So, if you have worked with a production partner to produce any items you have designed, you're required to disclose this information in your listing. So if you work with the company for print on demand, if you work with another company maybe to get your frames, any production partner should be mentioned in your Etsy shop. This is a policy that Etsy wants. And if you don't add that production partner and they find out, it could also cost you to get your store shut down. So this was a question that one of my subscribers wanted to know where exactly they go. It's a quick video and I'm going to show you right now where you need to go to add a production partner. So once you're ready to add the person or the company, all you have to do is if you go to settings in your dashboard and you go to production partners, you're going to get the screen and all you have to do is pretty much follow the prompts and just click on add new production partner. So anyone that you work with that helps you design your products or services should be added under new production partner. I hope that this video is helpful for people that needs to add these additional people in their store. If you have any questions or comment about it, make sure to leave a comment below. And don't forget to please like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for watching.